Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cherry from Cherry Beauty Stop. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, we're gonna have a simple makeup because I know a lot of our graduates this month are looking what makeup are they gonna use, so I'm thinking it's like maybe I will do like a simple look, quick and easy and no rush for you. So let's start. let me finish my eyes, and I'll be back. And this is our final look. Yay! It's very easy, right? Very easy. And by the way, I'm using Cookie Professional. So this is the lipstick that I'm using right now. It is Duchess. So it's been so long that I did not use this lipstick, and I know before it's one of my favorite. And I don't put what is this, fake lashes today, because when you're graduation, we don't want any like heaviness in our eyes. So yeah, I know it looks like very bright, but in person it looks so beautiful. And I don't know if you can see my highlights. This is Kara Beauty, and oh my goodness, that one is so, oh, it's not really bad in camera, but in person it's like, ugh, it's so like on your face highlights. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like my graduation, and by the way, congratulations to all the graduates this year, batch 2021. So congratulations if you're high school or college. And I will try to post my college graduation picture if I can find it. And I wish I know how to do my makeup. I'm not sure if I did my makeup that day, but I'm not sure. So I think so, or maybe not, I'm not sure. So yeah, thank you for watching, and always remember that there's always someone who loves you. Shalom guys.